Hello. Today I'm going to make a question library in D2L. So first we're going to go to Assessments, Quizzes and Exams, and then we're going to go to Question Library. So there's no sections or questions right now, so we're going to go to New, and let's go ahead and make a true or false question. And once we've asked the question, we're going to put our answer whether it is true or false. And in this options, you can add hints, add feedback, all that good stuff. So we're going to go ahead and save. And there you can see the question. So here we can go to all these different options here. So one of them would be multiple choice, which works a lot like true false. Written response, you want to put in your text there and then maybe enable the HTML editor to make sure that students can write the responses. And then for, you can order questions. So this is all for matching. You have a lot of options.